Welcome to the School of Continuing Studies Library at Georgetown University. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use data within the market research database, Mintel. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to locate data in Mintel and also manipulate Mintel databooks with specific demographic information. To access Mintel from the School of Continuing Studies Library homepage, select Databases along the top menu, type in Mintel, and then select the database. Once you've opened Mintel, the next step is to find a relevant research report. In this example, we'll just enter a keyword search for chocolate, run a search, and then locate this report titled Chocolate Confectionery in the United States. We know that this research report contains data because we can clearly see the View Databook link in the bottom right-hand corner. Now we can go ahead and just click this View Databook link, or we can open the report and then select Go to Databook. Once you've launched the interactive databook, click the drop-down at the top of the menu to browse all of the data available in this report. From here, you can select the data that you're most interested in. In this example, we'll just use this chocolate confectionery purchase location as an example, and it will jump you down to that data source. From here, we can clearly see purchase location preference for chocolate. But if we click Explore Demographics, we can customize all of this data. Once you choose to explore demographics, you can see that we're still looking at that same data category of chocolate confectionery purchase location, but now we're given the option to add demographic categories. You can see that age and gender are preset into this, but we can uncheck those. And let's say we were more interested in age and income and children in the household. If we click to the side, we can see that the graph updates with those categories that we just added and maps them across the categories that were on the original data set. While we were able to find relevant data by keyword searching for chocolate and then opening a relevant report, you can also just browse for data under the Consumer Data button at the very top of the screen. Once selected, you can see the most recent data that's been added to Mintel, and you can also browse data by industry category and subcategory. This concludes our introduction to Mintel. If you would like additional information on Mintel or other products and services that the School of Continuing Studies Library offers, please email us at scslibrary@georgetown.edu or call us at 202-784-7389.